Hello to all drivers. The situation is not difficult at our intersection today. But before that, subscribe to the channel and comment. So, imagine you are the driver of a red car. You have arrived at an intersection. It is controlled because it has working traffic lights. There is also a traffic sign at this intersection. So the question is, in which of these directions are you allowed to move? In this situation, the correct answer is only straight, because there is a sign prohibiting a car from turning right. And left-hand traffic is prohibited because the car did not take the far left lane in advance to be able to turn left. Write in the comments what answer you gave. Unusual fact. In Cyprus, drivers are not allowed to drink water while driving, even if they are thirsty. Drivers must stop at a designated place before drinking.